Export Scheme. Under the scheme, physical procurement of pulses, oilseeds and copra will be done by central nodal agencies. Besides NAFED, Food Corporation of India will also take up procurement of crops under PSS. The expenditure and losses due to procurement will be done by the centre. Pitch Black. Recently, Australia has informed India that the exercise Pitch Black 2020, scheduled to be held from 27th July to 14th August, has been cancelled due to the COVID-19. The next edition will be held in 2022. Exercise Pitch Black is a biennial 3-week multilateral air combat training exercise hosted by the Royal Australian Air Force. Its last edition was held in 2018. It ensures that the training and integration of forces that occur during this exercise directly supports the Air Force ability to conduct operations. Cooperation between India and Australia. Defence cooperation. It is based on the Memorandum on Defence Cooperation 2006, the Joint Declaration on Security Cooperation 2009 and the Bilateral Framework for Security Cooperation 2014. Australia and India are committed to working together to enhance maritime cooperation and have had AUS Index since 2015. Australia recently suggested trilateral cooperation among India, Australia and Indonesia to identify new ways for collaboration for the safety and security of the Indian Ocean. India and Australia both border the Indian Ocean and have a shared interest in the maintenance of freedom of navigation and trade. Australia recognizes India's critical role in supporting security, stability and prosperity of the Indian Ocean region. Civil Nuclear Cooperation. A civil nuclear cooperation agreement was signed in September 2014, which came into force in November 2015. The deal ensures that the uranium mining companies of Australia can supply uranium to India for civil use. It also ensures that any future bilateral trade in other nuclear-related material or items for civil use will also be protected. Consular cooperation. India and Australia signed the Mutual Legal Assistance Treaty and the Extradition Treaty in June 2008, which has been ratified by both the governments and has come into force since January 2011. Multi-party interim appeal arbitration arrangement. Established by some members of World Trade Organization, established as a contingency appeal arrangement for trade disputes, has been set up under Article 25 of Dispute Settlement Undertaking of WTO. As WTO's dispute settlement body has become dysfunctional after US decided to block the appointment of judges, it offers arbitration outside the appellate body upon mutual agreement of the parties. Final arbitration rulings will be binding and notified to the DSB, though they will not be adopted as appellate body reports. MPIA can be used between any two members when WTO appellate body is not functional. The agreement has been made by the Europe, Australia, Brazil, Canada, China, Chile, Chile. India, USA are not part of the agreement of MPIA.